Hello everyone, welcome to Haritha's recipes. Today I am sharing delicious and creamy Matar Paneer Masala. This recipe very easy and quick to make. Matar Paneer is one of the popular North Indian classic recipe. Okay guys, let's enjoy and check out the video. Matar Paneer Masala can be served with jeera rice, pulao, basmati rice and other choice of rice recipes, and also can be served with roti, naan, chapati and parathas. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe and do try this recipe. See you next day. Thanks for watching.